The highlight of the President's SONA was nung sinabi na mahiya naman kayo, initiative, errata, for the boys SOP. So ang initiative at errata ay nanggagaling po yan sa Kongreso. Kaya nga medyo nahirapan si Sec. Ralph na sagutin kung paano nabawasan yung iba dahil talagang Kongreso po may alam yan. At dalawang pagkakataon po yan, sa BICAM at sa small committee. So I would like to ask the chair to furnish all of the members the signed report of the small committee for 20.
Thank you very much, Representative Chanco. The request will be put under consideration and we will let you know if it's possible to
Madam Chair, why should it be put under consideration?
19th Congress. Given that we've now crossed over to the 20th Congress, we would need to consider that request.
Madam Chair, that's not acceptable. This is public records. Pareho pa naman yung COMSEC natin. At yan dapat linalagay sa archives. Do I have to read the rules again regarding archives of all documents? So may ang daming violation, Madam Chair. Walang record, hindi binigay. Ngayon, it's not readily available. Walang record sa archives. Ano to, sikreto?